friends, I'm Adira Ravindran, one of the faculties from Institute Sharjah. Today I'm here with a video that is related to OET. And before moving, I would like to explain ourselves. We are here for the last 16 years and we are serving the candidates from India and all over the world. And we are assisting people who is from medical professional, especially nurses. And we are helping them to compete with their international exams as well as for the job placement. So for any queries, you can contact us. And now we will be discussing some tips which is related to OET reading. Many of my students are facing difficulty to find answers from the B and C parts of reading. So I'll explain a few tips. You can easily find the answers from B and C, which is multiple choice questions. So this is providing a multiple choice area. So mostly students may face 3 options or 4 options. And always finding difficulty to choose the answer from that 3 or 4. And part B, there will be a question and after that 3 options will be there. Mostly 1 option can be excluded easily. Then in the third paragraph, that means part C, they will have 4 options. So mostly 2 options can be excluded, but the other 2 will be so similar and they may face some difficulties. So here I'm going to describe some techniques which will be more easily identifiable. And whenever you're coming here, I can explain you more things about that. And simply I can explain some terms. One technique you can use through the B and C section, especially the multiple choices, with it is synonym finder. So always people have a feeling that one word is there and the meaning or another word they can see. That was synonym finder and find the word. For example, here it is given that a description such as may not work correctly in close proximity to some other devices. So it is a statement from a question. May not work correctly in close proximity to some other devices. So this is a statement or an option from a question. So once if it is coming into the paragraph, so when we are going for finding an answer, there is an description. It is given, it is like that. Nevertheless, care should be taken to avoid the use of monitor within 7 meters of cell phone or other devices generating strong electrical and or electromagnetic field. So this is the statement which is relating to may not work close proximity to the some other devices. So I said you can find the synonym from here itself. So the word which is related with this close proximity to some other devices, so that it can be seen in the question paper or the option. But in the paragraph it is given that care should be taken to avoid the use of monitor within 7 meters of cell phone or other devices. That's within 7 meters of cell phone or other device. So this is relating to correct close proximity to some other devices. So exactly they won't give the synonym. So simply you can expect a definition or expansion of the term which is given in the question paper or as well as in the answer sheet. Vice versa, it will be there. So this is a small technique you can identify. That means finding an answer from a synonym. So one more I can explain to you with the same synonym finder. That is another question and there is an option. It is given that which staff should perform NG2 placement. So this is a statement in a question. So the same thing, this which staff should perform NG2 in the placement. So there will have a paragraph. So it is relating something like that. This is insertion and care of an NG tube should therefore only can be carried out by a registered nurse or a doctor who has undergone theoretical and practical training and is deemed competent or supervised by someone competent. So here the answer is which staff should perform NG2 placement. So this is related to the paragraph. So the word synonym, you can see that perform. So should perform NG2. So this perform is the word you can see in the paragraph. It is given, it is like this. Only be carried out by the registered nurse. So they used it is carried out. So such kind of words also you can see in paragraphs. So one of the techniques effectively you can use in part B and C section, it is synonym finder. So there were a lot of techniques, you can easily find the questions are there. So that will be discussed in next classes onwards, and this is a simple video for helping the examination, OET examination. For any queries related to the OET or anything which is related to nursing profession, you can contact us, and we are here within Sharjah as well as in Kerala too. So contact Bliss Institute Sharjah and Bliss Academy Kottayam. Thank you for watching this video.